Zappos. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I got my Zappos package, y'all. Okay, so your girl gave in and ordered the Uggs slippers. Okay, so I ordered from Zappos, I want to say maybe 2 weeks ago, because I went all over the web looking for the Ugg slippers in my size, and nobody had them. I mean, Macy's, Nordstrom, wherever else. I could not find these damn things, and Zappos was the only ones who had them in my size. So we are about to open up this package. I am so nervous because I'm hoping that they came in my size, and if they didn't, they're gonna have to get passed down to my daughter. So I'm nervous right now. Let's open up this package and see what we got. So as far as the shipping time, the shipping took, I want to say a week, maybe a week and a half. And they tracked the package from the day that they got the order to the time that they delivered it. So I got to say the customer service was great. Here go my eyes. I cannot wait. I really am praying that these things fit me. I'm like, so, because they tell you to order a size down because they run large. So let's see. I'm so happy. Oh, these are so nice, y'all. Oh. So this is how they look. So this gives you so much right here. I can tell you right here that this thing is going to be nice and secure. I can feel how tight it is. So these, I know y'all like, oh, well, what are you going to do with those? These are the Ugg slippers that you can also wear outside. They have a hard bottom, so they're not only for indoor use. Oh, and it comes with a little card from Ugg. All right, so now for the test. Oh, gosh. Oh, they feel so good on my feet. Oh, my God, y'all. Yes, these are them. Let me tell y'all. Oh my gosh. So they feel like they feel high. They feel really high. So yeah, they're nice. They are really nice. I got these in a size 10. They was $99.95 on Zappos. So now that I know how they come, I am definitely about to order some other colors. They had multiple colors. They had multi-colors, like 3 colors on one slipper. They are so nice. I gotta tell y'all, so if you guys are looking to buy these shoes and you can't find them anywhere, because Macy's, I think they only had like a size 6. So these are a size 10. I usually wear an 11, but they said to go down a size, so that's why I got the size 10. So try Zappos. So Zappos, if you listening, y'all did a good job, and I am definitely gonna come to y'all for some other colors because all of the girls want them. So I'm definitely gonna make sure I order from you guys again, and I'm very, very satisfied with my order. So make sure y'all try Zappos because I am so happy. I cannot be happier with my purchase, y'all. I'm so happy. So now I gotta try different colors. I only went gray because I was scared of the color thing. But girl, she is definitely about to get these in another color. So I'm about to go take some pictures in my new shoes. Show y'all different ways that y'all can wear them. I will be posting a picture soon. They might be up here during this video. So definitely make sure y'all check out Zappos. If y'all don't have, like I said, if y'all can't find them anywhere else, Zappos got them. And I'm so happy. I'm sorry, I can't keep saying it because I'm so happy that they came. And I am like loving these shoes, y'all. All right, so yes, next, until until next time, don't forget to hit that notification button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Love y'all.